Imagine waking up to the call of gulls, sipping a 20 lira simit and tea combo, and cruising 2 continents for the price of a coffee. Welcome to Istanbul on a budget. Today I'll show you exactly how to stretch $100 a day, or even less, without missing the magic. Ready to haggle, hop, and feast your way through the world's only city that straddles Europe and Asia? Istanbul, the city where 2 worlds collide. Straddling both Europe and Asia, Istanbul is a vibrant blend of cultures, history, and energy like no other. From the majestic domes of Hagia Sophia to the bustling bazaars of the Grand Bazaar, every corner tells a story. Sail across the Bosphorus and witness the only city in the world that lives on 2 continents, seamlessly merging east and west. Whether you're sipping Turkish tea in a centuries-old cafe or exploring hidden alleyways filled with art and spice, Istanbul offers a timeless adventure that captivates the soul. Discover the magic of this unique crossroads of civilization. Let's dive in. Shoulder seasons, late March, May, and September, early November, mean mild weather and lower room rates. Experience Istanbul in the shoulder season when the crowds thin, the weather is just right, and the city's charm truly shines. In spring and autumn, Istanbul offers mild temperatures, golden sunsets over the Bosphorus, and easier access to iconic landmarks. Wander ancient streets without the rush, savor Turkish delights in cozy cafes, and soak in the East meets West magic at your own pace. It's the perfect time to discover the soul of the city. Pack a light scarf, it's essential for visiting mosques for women, where modest dress is required for women. Also bring an empty water bottle. Istanbul's historic public fountains offer free clean drinking water throughout the city. A simple way to stay respectful, hydrated, and travel smart. Money matters in Istanbul, but exploring this vibrant city doesn't have to break the bank. From affordable street food like simit and kebabs, to budget-friendly public transport and free attractions like mosques and markets, Istanbul offers rich experiences at great value. Carry some cash for smaller shops, but most places accept cards. With smart spending, you'll enjoy the best of both continents without overspending. The current exchange rate is around 39 to 40 lira to 1 USD, but rates can fluctuate. To stay on top of it, screenshot a currency converter app for quick reference. Also, download an offline map of Istanbul like Google Maps or Maps.me for easy navigation without relying on Wi-Fi. It's a smart move for staying informed and getting around hassle-free. Stay seamlessly connected in Istanbul with these smart hacks. Grab an affordable local SIM card at the airport, or major shops, Turkcell and Vodafone, offer great tourist packages. Use eSIMs like Airalo for instant activation. Most cafes, trams, and public spaces offer free Wi-Fi, but a portable Wi-Fi device is perfect for full-day adventures. Download apps like Taxi, Istanbulkart, and Google Maps offline to stay ahead. With the right tools, exploring Istanbul is smooth and stress-free. Buy the card. At Istanbul Airport's M11 station or any metro, tram, ferry stop, find the yellow or blue vending machines. The basic anonymous Istanbulkart costs around 130 lira, no credit included. Load credit. Use the same machines to top up with cash, 5 to 100 lira notes or credit cards. For M11, fares are about 25 to 29 lira depending on distance. You can also reload later at kiosks or machines. Tap and ride at station turnstiles. Hold your card near the reader. No need to take it out. You'll hear a beep and see your updated balance. Transfers. M11 connects to M2, M7, Marmaray, etc. For easy transfers, transfer window tilde, 120 minutes. A premium shuttle bus service by Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality linking Istanbul Airport to key city hubs. Taksim, Beşiktaş, Kadıköy, Aksaray, Esenler, Sultanahmet, and even Sabiha Gökçen Airport. At the airport, HAVAIST ticket counters or machines cards only. Online or via hava.ict app. Reserve in advance with QR code, bonus discounts, Istanbul International Airport. Istanbulkart accepted on city routes must be topped up first. Runs 24/7 with buses every 20 to 60 minutes depending on route and time. Journey times 75 to 120 minutes depending on traffic and destination. Onboard experience, comfortable seats with good legroom. Free Wi-Fi, USB charging, air conditioning, luggage storage, digital displays and announcements in Turkish and English. Some buses offer wheelchair-accessible features. Request 1 hour prior at airport, 6 hours for return trips. Prices one-way fares range from 125 lira to 223 lira, depending on route. Istanbul International Airport. Istanbulkart offers convenience. Credit cards or QR codes are also accepted. Cash is not accepted on board. Reliable and comfy. Modern fleet, onboard amenities, and pre-booking ease are perfect after long flights. Wide coverage reaches 50-plus hubs across Istanbul. Travel tips. Book online for smoother boarding and possible savings. Arrive early. Buses may leave sooner if full, especially late at night. For Sultanahmet, route HAVAIST. 12 drops you at Aksaray Metro. A tram transfer, Schalke 10-minute walk, is needed. Istanbul beautiful. Expect longer travel during peak hours. Plan accordingly. HAVAIST is a safe, comfortable, and efficient way to travel between Istanbul Airport and Istanbul's key areas. With its modern buses, flexible payment options, and extensive route network, you can start your Istanbul adventure without a hitch. Here is a few of the places you can stay when you are in Istanbul Sultanahmet. Istanbul Sultanahmet is the historic heart of Istanbul and the perfect base for first-time visitors. Stay here if you want to wake up steps away from iconic landmarks like the Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia, and Topkapi Palace. The area is filled with charming boutique hotels, budget guest houses, and elegant Ottoman-style accommodations. Popular options include Hotel Sultania for luxury with a view, Sirkeçi Mansion for a cozy, family-run feel, and Cheers Hostel for budget travelers. Most places offer easy tram access, complimentary breakfast, and unforgettable rooftop views of the Bosphorus. Beyoğlu and Galata offer a trendy, vibrant atmosphere, perfect for travelers who love culture, nightlife, and art. This area is home to Istiklal Street, Galata Tower, and countless cafes, bars, and galleries. Stay here if you want a mix of old and new Istanbul. Choose from stylish boutique hotels like Ten Karaköy or George Hotel Galata for luxury and city views, or go for artsy budget stays like World House Hostel. With easy access to public transport and walkable streets, Beyoğlu is ideal for exploring the modern side of the city. Kadıköy is Istanbul's laid-back, hip district on the Asian side, perfect for travelers seeking a local vibe away from the tourist crowds. It's known for its street art, lively markets, indie cafes, and a buzzing nightlife scene in Moda. Stay here for a more authentic residential experience. Options range from modern boutique hotels like Juliet Rooms and Kitchen to cozy budget spots like Hush Hostel. Ferries and metro lines make it easy to reach the European side, while giving you a peaceful retreat after a day of sightseeing. For budget accommodation, average dorm cost for a 3-day stay, $51 US, 1 week, $119 US. Many hostels throw in free walking tours or breakfast. Istanbulkart is your golden ticket valid on metro, tram, bus, ferry, even funiculars. One full fare is around 27 Turkish lira. Cheap Bosphorus ferry commuter ferry from Eminönü to Üsküdar. 27 lira for a 20-minute continent hop. Sunset for the price of an espresso. Free transfers metro to tram within 2 hours counts as one ride. Plan your hops. Istanbul's street food is both delicious and affordable in 2025. Start your day with a warm simit 15 to 20 lira from street carts found citywide, especially in the mornings. For a tasty lunch, grab a lahmacun 80 to 100 lira at places like Halk Döner in Kadıköy. Don't miss the famous balık ekmek fish sandwich for 150 lira, served fresh from boats under the Galata Bridge. Pair your meals with a glass of çay 12 to 15 lira, available in cafes or ferry kiosks. On average, a full street food meal will cost just around $5 to $6, making it easy to eat well without overspending. You don't have to spend a lira to enjoy some of Istanbul's best experiences. Visit iconic sites like the Blue Mosque and Süleymaniye Mosque. Just remember to dress modestly. Stroll through Balat's colorful houses, perfect for vibrant photos at no cost. For a stunning view, climb Pierre Lodi Hill for free, or take the scenic cable car for just 27 lira and enjoy a panoramic tea break. The Istanbul Museum Pass, €105, gives you 5-day access to top attractions like Hagia Sophia History Museum, Topkapi Palace, and the Archaeology Museum. It's a great deal if you're visiting 4 or more major sites. Get it at muse.gen.tr. Students with an ISIC card enjoy 50% off many museum tickets. On Fridays, explore free gallery nights in Karaköy's contemporary art spaces, a perfect mix of culture and savings. The Bosphorus is more than a strait. It's the lifeline of Istanbul, separating Europe and Asia while uniting cultures, history, and daily life. A Bosphorus cruise is a must for any traveler. Choose a public ferry 65 to 100 lira for an affordable scenic ride, or opt for private or sunset cruises for a more curated experience. Along the way, admire grand Ottoman palaces like Dolmabahce and Beylerbeyi, majestic mosques, and charming waterside villages such as Ortaköy and Anadolu Kava. Stop for a waterside lunch, enjoy a cup of tea on the deck, and watch the city's skyline blend with nature. For a deeper experience, hop off at local piers to explore quiet neighborhoods and hidden gems. The Bosphorus isn't just a route, it's a journey through Istanbul's heart, best seen from the water. The Grand Bazaar Bosphorus is one of the world's oldest and largest covered markets, dating back to 1461. With over 4,000 shops spread across 60-plus winding streets, it's a vibrant maze of colors, sounds, and scents. Here you'll find everything from hand-woven carpets, antique jewelry, and Ottoman ceramics to spices, leather goods, and souvenirs. Open Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., closed Sundays. It's best to go early to avoid crowds. Bargaining is expected, so don't hesitate to negotiate politely. The bazaar is divided into sections: gold sellers, textiles, and antiques, making it easier to navigate. Located in Beyazıt, it's easily accessible by tram, Beyazıt Kapalı Çarşı stop. Even if you're not buying, wandering the bazaar is an unforgettable cultural experience, a sensory journey through centuries of trade and tradition. Dress smart. When visiting mosques, cover your knees and shoulders. Women should also wear a headscarf, often available for free at mosque entrances. Modest dress shows respect and ensures entry to Istanbul's iconic religious sites. Learn key phrases. A few Turkish words go a long way. Say merhaba, hello, teşekkürler, thank you, and kolay gelsin, have it easy. A polite phrase especially appreciated by workers and vendors. Taxi tactics. Always insist on using the meter. Avoid drivers offering flat rates, as these are often inflated. For reference, a ride from Sultanahmet to Taksim should cost around 280 Turkish lira during the day. More tips at the IstanbulInsider.com. Avoid common scams. Watch out for unsolicited shoe shines, friendly strangers saying, "Let's grab a drink," or pushy carpet sellers. A firm smile and yok sağ ol, no thanks, is your best defense. Stay alert and enjoy the city with confidence. And that's the magic of Istanbul. Grand mosques, hidden food stalls, and ferries between continents, all without breaking the bank. If this guide helped you save even a single lira, hit that like button, share it with your travel buddy, and drop a comment. What was your favorite budget find? A 20 lira simit with a view, or maybe a free rooftop sunset? Don't forget to subscribe for more smart, wallet-friendly adventures from around the world. Until next time, iyi yolculuklar, happy travels.